This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept double array, from index, to index and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array. It has 5 double values. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing double array from indexes 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to index is 4, which is this position, and to index is exclusive. So what this sort method will do is it sort the double array in this range because from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. After sorting, I am displaying the double array content. Here I have defined the key as 8.6. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing double array from indexes 0, which is inclusive, and to indexes 4, which is exclusive, and passing key as 8.6. What this binary search method will do is it will search the key 8.6 in this range in the double array. And if you see 8.6 is present in the index position 1. So this method returns index as 1. Before calling a binary search method, the range of double array should be sorted. Else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling a binary search method, sort method of arrays class has been called to sort the double array content in this range. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.